Let's be honest, saving money isn't always easy. Some days you feel motivated, excited, and ready to stick to your plan. But on other days, it feels impossible. You're tired, stressed, and tempted to spend just this once. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, it's normal. Today, we're talking about how to stay consistent with saving, even when life gets messy, motivation fades, or unexpected expenses hit. Because consistency, not perfection, is what truly builds wealth. Saving isn't about being perfect every month. It's about creating a pattern that keeps moving forward, even when things aren't perfect. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't skip it just because you're tired, you do it because it keeps your future self healthier. The same goes for saving. Even small, imperfect progress adds up over time. That's the real secret behind people who actually reach their financial goals. Motivation fades, systems don't. Financially consistent people don't rely on willpower, they build automatic systems. Here's how. Automate your savings. Set a small transfer to happen every payday. Even $10 counts. Name your goals. Label your accounts. Travel fund, emergency fund, or freedom fund. When your goal feels real, you're less likely to quit. Make it visible. Track your progress with a simple chart or app. Seeing your growth keeps you emotionally connected. Plan for bad days. Expect them. Build a flex fund for low motivation days so you can bounce back without guilt. These little systems make saving feel effortless, even when your mood isn't. Let's be real. Everyone slips sometimes. The difference between people who quit and people who succeed. They don't let one bad day turn into a bad month. If you overspend, just reset. Don't punish yourself. Adjust, learn, and keep going. Saving is a journey, not a straight line. And every time you get back on track, you build financial resilience. And that's more powerful than any single deposit. So the next time saving feels hard, remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Small, steady effort beats big, short bursts every time. If this helped you refocus your saving mindset, hit that like button, subscribe to Grow My Savings, and share this video with someone who's trying to stay consistent too. You've got this. Even on the bad days,